Hey, we're just over a week away from the new year. Do you have your 2020 goals done yet? For most people, probably not. And there's lots of reasons for that. But like the number one excuse I hear is, oh, it's so hard, I can't figure it out. I got the perfect solution for you. Really simple, should take you less than 30 minutes. It's complete, and then, it's a simple way to do it and really effective. Okay, first and foremost, get yourself in like kind of a peak state, meaning don't be mad, don't fight with your family members, or get everyone out of your space. Take a few minutes, center yourself, calm down, and envision the 3 areas that you really want to improve in your life in 2020. For me, it's relationships, physical health and well-being, and my financial prospects. So you choose whatever they are for you. You write those down. Then underneath those areas, write down 3 to 5 actions that if you took consistently would move you massively towards attaining those goals. And that really is your goal setting. From there, this is where it really gets interesting and where the power is. For me, I type them in the computer and I print them out. Then I put them on an index card. And I just tape over the top and kind of laminate. I make 3 of these. I put one in the bathroom, in the mirror. I put one by my bedside stand, and the other one I put in my pocket. And then throughout the day, I make sure, like for me, I try to do it before every single meal, that I review them. Also in the morning, after I brush my teeth, and in the evening before I go to bed. But here is where the secret sauce is. You type it out or you write it out. Then, when you go to review it, you say the goal out loud and run your finger over it. You say it, you read it, and then you close your eyes and you imagine what it's going to feel like when you accomplish that goal. Feel it in your heart, feel it in your body. If it's losing weight, look at yourself, see yourself all slimmed down, looking good. Whatever it is, just see it. Why? Because when you do that, you're hitting 4 different areas. Your visual, because you're reading it. Your kinesthetic, because you're running your finger across the page. You're saying it out loud, so you're hitting your auditory. And when you close your eyes, you're imagining it. And this is the bonus round, because when you imagine it, what you're doing is programming your subconscious or your reticulating activating system to go ahead and focus in on things that will further help you achieve these goals. That's what's really powerful. And when you do it multiple times a day, it's so much more powerful. Now, so instead of watching news or those cat videos, you go ahead and you read the goals and do it as I said. Studies say that people who do this are significantly more successful and achieve more than the people who don't write their goals. Simple, easy. I hope you use it. Please share with me your goals. I would love to hear them. All right, have a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye.